Hello all, welcome to IMA. Today we are discussing about one science topic, water cycle. What does it mean? What do we learn here? What is the water cycle? Let's learn all these things. Remember, we all have studied this in our school days. But not in sign language, and as we grew up, we forgot everything. Also, this topic was not at all accessible, so we didn't understand clearly. Now we are providing this topic in accessible way. Let's start this topic. What is the meaning? How does it rain? Let me explain. You have seen different water bodies like sea, river and many other sources. The powerful sun rays falls on these water bodies. The water starts evaporating now. We can't see this evaporation with our eyes. These water vapor condenses into white clouds. These clouds have enormous water content inside. Once cloud becomes full and heavy, it starts moving from one place to another place. It keeps changing its place. Again you have different water bodies on ground. When these dark clouds collide, it starts raining. After rain, this rainwater goes under earth, under trees and gets mixed with other water bodies, and finally reaches sea. Again same process starts. Sun rays falls on water bodies and evaporation happens. This leads to cloud formation and moves. It further becomes black and collides and we get rain. Again this rainwater goes underground and finally reaches sea and process continues. This process is called water cycle. Let's look at this picture. I hope you all understood this concept. How many parts are there in this water cycle? What are these terms? Let me explain all these terms. Evaporation. What do you mean by that? We have all these water bodies like sea. The sun rays falls onto these water bodies. It heats up water and changes into vapor. This is called evaporation. Transpiration. What do you mean by that? We have all these plants and trees. When the sun rays falls on these plants and trees, it absorbs water. It does have water content inside. For example, when people walk under hot sun, they sweat it out, they become tired. Same happens with plants and trees. This process of evaporation from plant is called transpiration. Condensation. What do you mean by that? So evaporation happens, these water vapor gets collected in white clouds. It starts to cool and becomes liquid again. This process is called condensation. Precipitation. What do you mean by that? When the water in the clouds get too heavy, it starts to change place. It becomes black and collide and then it rains. This is called precipitation. Runoff. What do you mean by that? When rain falls on the land, some of the water is absorbed into the ground. Most of the groundwater eventually returns to the oceans, seas. This process is called runoff. The groundwater runs directly into stream or rivers. Hope you understand the water cycle. Please share this video with your friends. Please like this video and subscribe. We have have more new different topics. Thank you for watching.